marketing. So if somebody that is trying to get into digital marketing watches this video should show you how to start. I'll probably title this, how digital marketing saved my life. Basically, it's kind of self-explanatory. How you market products and services digitally, online, whatever it is, right? And I started this in 2017. Yes. When I started, how it was back then, it's a bit different now, but it's still the same foundation of theoretical knowledge. So you have SEO, which is search engine optimization. You have SEM, which is search engine marketing, or PPC, pay per click. You have some form of content marketing, which in a way SEO falls under. But content marketing is your email marketing and your social media marketing or management. These are organic. Now within these, you then have paid social media. So that's like social media advertising. That's pretty much how I started this journey. There was content creation, but content creation was left for the designers, right? So it was left for designers, videographers, photographers back then when I first started. Now, as you can see, digital marketers wear multiple caps. I create content, visual content, so I've shot videos, I've taken pictures, obviously I design email marketing campaigns, I run ads. How I look at it and probably how I enjoy it is it's a very generalist role. You can specialize if you want to, but you can also be a generalist and thrive. A lot of roles today, especially in career, don't let you necessarily thrive as a generalist. But I think we're going back to that because AI now is basically supposed to be your specialist too. And you, the generalist, uses AI. But that's personal opinion, I'm going too far. So in a nutshell, that is digital marketing. So pros and cons for me. Now, what I like about digital marketing, I can work from anywhere in the world, really and truly. And to be fair, I have worked from anywhere in the world. I've done my businesses from Dubai, Nigeria, where I'm from, the UK. What else again? South. Like I've done it. I've done digital marketing. So anyway, so far there is a good internet connection. Trust me, I'm going to be making money. That's just how it is for me. Either I can work with a company from these locations. It's one of those things where it just gives you that global freedom, which is very important to me. There's only one con to digital marketing, and that is you don't get paid tech. You don't get like software development kind of salary. You can get it in a business easily, but in terms of the job, the dev average and the digital marketing average, it don't really add up. Like I said, I started this in 2017. To be fair, my scenario was was just by the grace of God. Because believe it or not, my first degree was industrial chemistry. I enjoyed that degree because the practical side of things, I learned a lot. I learned how to make alcohol from all sorts of things. I learned how certain things work. But you see the theory, that was not fun. Let me just put it like that. That was not fun. But I finished my NYC and then I got an opportunity to work at the marketing agency. And during the interview, I remember, so I used to have this social media page on Instagram, and I just used to repost stuff, fashion-led, urban, cultural, urban, fashion-led designs on that. So think Ankara jackets, kente, like a lot of those things. I'm going to go back. I need to find a way to monetize that and make some money because it's something that I was very passionate about. And I think when I was talking to my then boss, big shout out to TJ, he could see it because he was looking at it. He was like, there's this and there's this Like he was giving me that I like this. He didn't say, but I could see it, and I was hopeful that I would get called back to start work, and I was. So that's how I got my first job. I digital marketing executive. There I worked with a lot of interesting brands: Pepsi, Google, Intel. I think we did stuff for Indomie. We did stuff for Nine Mobile. I was a T-seller back then. I worked with a lot of interesting brands, and that particular job I did a lot of content marketing. I did a lot of also some sort of SEO, influencer marketing as well. Yes, I did a lot of influencer marketing and a lot of social media management. And I created content as well. I was working for. We had a client that was I think he had a podcast or a radio show. So I used to go there to record. God, exciting times, man. Exciting times. Now I think about it. Yeah, big shout out to fun experience. I won't lie. Big shout out to TJ. But yeah, how did I get started? I've told you what I've done, Abi. Now, the cocoa is how did I get started? There were these guys called Shaw Academy. Shaw Academy, I did a digital marketing diploma with them. I did a social media marketing certification with them. I did a graphic design course. I did a visual identity or graphic design course. That was a diploma as well. So I did 2 diplomas and 1 certification with them. I did the Google certifications. I have probably like 7. Then Chartered Institute of Marketing, CIM, I got my digital marketing certification from them as well. I'm just trying to let you guys know the certifications I have because they are stacked. I'm not going to try and code it. It is stacked. Our money has been spent. So how do you want to get in? The first thing I would say is you need to start building some sort of portfolio. And I have this other video where I talk about how you can learn tech certifications for free. I know some people don't think about digital marketing and e-commerce as a tech, certification or role, but it is. So go and watch that video. I'm going to link in the description, and then I'll show the picture. I don't think I'm going to link it to the video. I'll show the picture so that when you're done with the video, you can go watch that one. In that video, I talk about how you can get financial aid, scholarship, to learn these things for free. Now, Google, they have a very, very interesting digital marketing and e-commerce course that you can start. If you want to learn this to start a career or as a business, you should look into that. Another thing is, how do I put this now? That particular course, actually, you have to build a portfolio, whether you like it or not. And one thing you need when you're starting as a digital marketer, when you're trying to look for jobs or something, is you need a portfolio and you need a very good CV. That CV one is a different video. Just if you want to see the video, you need to comment so that I know I'm not going to waste my time creating that video. I need to create videos that are relevant to the 2 of us, so I'm passing on solid knowledge. So if you want to see that CV, how to create a digital marketing CV or resume, let me know in the comments and I'll work on that. Same thing with the portfolio. Let me know in the comments and I'll work on that. But you need to do some sort of certifications, because you must show workings. It's not a thing that you say and say, oh, I do this, I do this, I do that. You must show workings. Now, if you want to do digital marketing as a business, either to help people create content, either to help people run paid ads, either to even sell your own products or services, go and do that course. A huge believer of courses, because you will learn, and the way that these particular courses nowadays are set up is there's almost some sort of capstone project or work that must be done. All right, so that's how you want to get into this or learn more about it. You can watch all these fantastic videos, you can do all these things, but if you don't begin to do actual work, what's the point?